158 divided by 2. How do we solve that? Stay with me. We're gonna figure it out together. Here's the plan. We'll divide each digit in 158 by 2, one at a time. And we'll follow these 4 steps. Divide. Multiply back. Subtract. Bring down. We'll keep using those steps until we reach the end. Okay, let's go. Draw the division symbol. The first number, 158, goes inside. And the second number, 2, stays outside. At the top, we'll write our answers as we go. Let's start with the first digit. 1 divided by 2. Can 2 fit into 1? Nope. So we write a 0 right above the 1. Multiply back. 0 times 2. It's 0. Write that 0 under the 1. Subtract. 1 minus 0 equals 1. Bring down the 5. Now we have 15. Let's go through the steps again. Divide. 15 divided by 2. How many times does 2 go into 15? 7 times. Write 7 up top. Multiply back. 7 times 2 equals 14. Subtract. 15 minus 14 equals 1. Bring down the next digit. 8. Now we have 18. One more time. 18 divided by 2. 9. 9 times 2. 18. 18 minus 18. 0. No more numbers to bring down. We're done. So the final answer is 79. So, don't forget. When you try to divide and the number doesn't fit, like 2 can't go into 1, just write a 0 on top. Now, it's your turn. Try this one. 341 divided by 5. Pause the video and give it a go. I'll wait right here. All done? The answer is 68 remainder 1. Thank you for having a go. Next up, 4,511 divided by 3. Now, pause, try it out, then come back. Ready? The answer is 1,503 remainder 2. I love the way you didn't give up. Last one. 7,522 divided by 4. Pause the video and I'll see you in a second. The answer is 1,880 remainder 2. Thanks for doing division with me. See you next time.